fuck was that? That was so bumpy. I was going way too fast for that.
Oh my god,
So this is the lighting. Yeah, so I'm good.
It's Alex.
What the
Yeah,
fuck?
already? What the fuck?
Because you're the loudest one.
Parking line. Sorry. Alright guys, welcome back to another Friday night ride. It's been a minute. We're just down the coast today with a bunch of boys. Oh, speed bump. Neutral rolling down the rip. Oh, let's go. And just like that, we out. I'm gonna go again.
You gonna do it? You gonna do a wheel again?
Your tire was looking so wobbly there.
Yeah. Well, don't like try and launch it wheel it.
Do you have a quick shifter on yours, Alex? Yeah. Oh, that was fucking, that was a big one.
That's what they're like when they do wheelies. Oh my god.
Ready? After this last car, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that's a fucking road. Once it connected to that fucking bridge road, my fucking wheelie no way, bro. Bridge. What the fuck? That's a lot of food. That's a lot of food.
Hey, is that a...
Pain.
Is that a
Disrespect. The first disrespect of tonight.
No, it's not.
Yo,
Pretty sure.
repping with Riz, bro.
Is that you doing that?
Mm-hmm. Yes, it is.
You got him. I can smell the ocean.
I'm just chilling at the back for a bit. We just had a pretty beefy dinner. I had some sweet potato fries, and I had some dinner earlier on in the night. So, but yeah, we're just heading home now. It's like about 9:30, maybe 10 p.m. So yeah, we just thought we'd cruise by. The beach is literally like just over there, but you probably can't even see it because it's real dark, and plus there's a bunch of stuff in the way here.
My CBR, yeah.
They just built different.
Hey, is this the...
Straight up.
Frisson's faster than me. Okay.
Yeah, you got shit on your tire.
Hey.
You good now, you good.
Satisfying to see it.
Alright guys, I know it was kind of a short one there. I didn't really talk too much, but I'll see you on the next video. Peace.